Hey guys, hope you're doing great. I'm assembling a grill here at our home in Florida, and it's a Weber E210, but I think this applies to other grills as well because I ask myself this every time I'm putting together a new grill. And the grates have a flat part and a V part. Let me hold one of these up so you can kind of see it. So there's kind of this V portion here, and then on the other side, it's a bit more flat. Which side goes up is always my question. I always have to research it, and I figured if I'm having to ask myself this every time, you might be wondering too. So let's take a look. On the grill itself, and I looked this up from the manufacturer, the flat part goes up. So you'll notice if I flip both of these over, check out the difference. So this side is upside down now, and you'll see it's got more of a V shape compared to the flat shape. Flat goes up, V goes down. And this does a couple of things. Number one, gives you a little bit more surface area for food to sit on and makes it easier to clean than that V side there. So again, I ask myself this every time I'm putting a grill together. Again, this is the Weber Spirit 2. It's the E210, so it's got the two burners here. It's pretty easy to put together as long as you follow the directions step by step, and got to clean this up a little bit, but still have to put the top on. But I wanted to make this video in case you were wondering which side of the grates goes up. The answer is the flat side goes up, the V side goes down. Hope that solves it for you. If you got any questions, throw those down in the comments below. I'm going to finish putting the top to this grill on and get cooking.